This is the complete series, basically the complete version, all the discs from these previous volumes, right here. Stuff there. That's what he sent me. So let's open it up and see what it is. And it's sealed in a slipcase. How about that? Sealed in a slipcase. It's sealed in a slipcase. First time I've ever seen that. Steelbook in a slipcase, but I guess it's kind of nice because look, you have Sonic Boom, you have the characters, but when you remove it, you get the translucent on the back. You get a cover. You get the cover on the back, of course, and then you get the other cover right there, and then you get the other cover right there, which is pretty cool. Woo! And they just fell out. That's a surprise. Yeah, he kind of told me that, I think he alluded to me that things were a little bit more different, like End Circle may have gone Steelbook wise, but they didn't case it completely. It's basically the disc on top of each other deal. But he says the change, I think one of the changes was the discs themselves. So here we have season 1 with Sonic and Tails, and I think, yeah, there's one down there, and Knuckles. So that's kind of cool. You have Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles on disc 1, on season 1. And then you have a cover down there, background cover of Robotnik and Cubot, Olbot, and some Badniks. Cool. And on this end, we have Amy, we have Styx, and I think, yeah, we have Robotnik. And then, of course, the other side of the picture. That's kind of cool. They just basically took all the discs from the original 2 volumes and put them together in a collectible steelbook, which, you know, is not uncommon for a lot of studios, a lot of distributors, small or big, to do. Because, you know, they feel, hey, we want to make more money, and hey, look, you know, we got the Sonic 2 movie coming out. Why not just re-release some Sonic material? Then we have the license to in a different container, or basically with a different packaging, and that's what they did here with Sonic Boom. So that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. But yeah, just wanted to do that little opening, or pack. I guess you could say unwrapping, if you will, unpackaging, if you will, of the Sonic Boom Complete Series Blu-ray Steelbook. And once again, thanks to Frank Hill for sending it. And until then, guys, I'm out.